Happy New Year! All right. Jordan, location independent. I want to show you the simplest, easiest way to make free, easy money. Who said there's no such thing as a free lunch, right? And by lunch, I mean money. Um, I'm showing you now. I'm not getting paid. Not promoting any kind of offer. This is just on my own. I discovered this from a website, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. And I just want to share how easy it was with you, exactly what I did to earn 200 bucks, basically for doing nothing, for opening a bank account. And not only that, but I'm also able to spend with this bank account a $2,000, up to $2,000 on a credit card. And why is that important? Why is that useful? Well, I'm about to tell you. Just listen. Okay. So, oh, by the way, Happy New Year's and Christmas from beautiful Hahn, Germany. It's a small town outside of Dusseldorf. And again, living the remote lifestyle, so luxurious, traveling and working wherever I want. But back to business. Okay, so you're wondering, how did I do this? Well, the first step is, let's back up a second. I went to the website doctorofcredit.com, and everyone make a note of this because this is a really, really cool website. I already did a review of the website and all the tips and tricks and hacks you will learn and the newest offers and everything related to new credit cards and new bank accounts and kind of money like tips, tricks, hacks. It's all free, of course. And I did a review, and I will put that in the link below, or in the description below, a link to that review video. But I'm mentioning again, because that's what I used. So I found, through this website, I found you can go to, like, at the top here, bank accounts, and I went to best bank account bonuses, right? Now this needs to be updated. I'm sure they will soon. They do keep it really up to date for January. But I just went down here, PNC, you click on that, and they have like a review. I'm not going to read through all of it, but basically they have like a little, like just like what you need to know about it, how useful it is, and people will like, this website is really popular, so people are always sending in like whether something works or not, so they get user feedback, and you'll know how relevant and if it's actually, because sometimes offers expire or something just doesn't work, so people will say that, so you know if it's good or not. So this one is for sure, it's confirmed. I mean, and I just did it too, so I'm confirming it for you right here. So there's two really great things in Europe. They do too. Okay, two really great things about this. Number one, it's an easy 200 bucks. Actually, you can make more than 200, but the easiest way for me was just to get 200, which is also fine. And you can fund up to $2,000 with a credit card. And why that's important is because a lot of credit card bonus offers to open a new credit card, and that's a whole nother game. I could make another video on that. But like, let's say an average, like if you get lucky and you look and you get a good offer. There's a few out there now because I just checked for $500 in cash back, or roughly $500 worth of airlines miles. Both work for opening a new credit card. And a lot of these credit cards, though, to qualify to get that offer, you have to spend, let's say, $3,000 in the first 3 months. Some of them are $4,000, sometimes it's $2,000, but let's say $3,000 on average. And if you're like me, you don't want to just waste money on just garbage, right? You want to have something good to spend that money on, but you still need to qualify. You still need to spend it on something to get that offer. So this is a perfect way of doing it. It's just actually funding. It's basically like sending money to yourself. That's all it is. So you can spend $2,000 on it when you open a new credit card. That's what I would recommend using this for. You can spend $2,000 of it by just funding your bank account. So basically putting $2,000 into your own bank account. And that counts as a credit card purchase, right? It's crazy. It doesn't even make sense. But gotta love it. So that's exactly what I did. And yeah, going back to the specific PNC thing. So you just click the direct link to offer. I'm going to click that. And that will open this tab here. And there's just a couple hoops you have to jump through. But it's really, so yeah, takes a little bit of time, but for the money the really like dead simple money that you make for doing it, It's so worth the time, right? Definitely worth it. So for $200, all you do is you you have to get a direct deposit. So now, if you have a full-time job or even any kind of job that pays you with direct deposit, just link that up to this this bank account when it's open. I did that, so I get a paycheck. I have a full-time job too, and I just linked it up. And after a couple paychecks, I'm good to go. I already had more than that. And then you have to make at least 10 purchases on the debit card, within 2 months. So that could be, and I think this is also within 2 months, the direct deposit part as well. So that could be a pack of gum, whatever, coffee, it doesn't matter, just anything, just 10 purchases. So that's really easy. And then boom, you get $200. Not only that, but then you get this extra $50 if you open, what is this? Oh no, sorry. I think if you open a savings account, you also get another 50. Oh, here it is. Here, you may earn a $50 reward if you open a new standard checking. Well, all right, there is somewhere here that you also get like a bonus for opening a savings account too. I think it was like $50. But anyway, really easy. You get the idea. So dead simple. And I highly recommend checking out this drofcredit.com website if you haven't already. Because also it'll give you the best and up-to-date credit card offers. You can see that here, and a lot of other cool new stuff like daily deals. So these are kind of like little fun money hacks and things like, oh, there's Amazon promotion. If you buy $50 of this service, you get $20 back or something. So they keep really up to date on these kind of fun little freebie hack offers that I like. I just kind of have fun with those as well. But hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up or even 2 thumbs up. That should be possible. And subscribe. If you look in the link in my description below, not only will I link to my link, I'll link to my video of I made the review of drofcredit.com and how awesome the website is. But I also have an upcoming remote income guide, which is going to be massive. Like literally, no one has ever seen, the world has never seen anything like this. Probably over 70 pages of all kinds of resources on making money online. Whether it's full-time jobs, part-time jobs, doing stupid things like surveys, making a few bucks, running your own, language course, and it goes on and on. I'm just putting together this awesome guide, and you will also get updated on that if you sign up and get my free cheat sheet, which, all you got to do is give me your email address, and that's it. And cheat sheet on remote income and living this awesome remote life. That's the word. Okay. All right. I think I'm getting hungry. That's why I'm not thinking of words. So time to eat. Enjoy the new year, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.